Welcome. In front of me is a KAZAM Tornado 350, and I will show you how to remove the pattern lock screen by doing the hard reset. So, as you can see right now, the phone has a lock pattern, and to remove it, we will start by powering off the phone. So let's turn it off. Wait for the phone to shut off, and then we'll hold power key and the volume up together. So these two buttons here. Now once you see the logo as it's right now, you can let go of the keys and wait for this screen. And here we'll select wipe data / factory reset, using the volume keys to navigate, so volume up and down to navigate, as you can see. And we'll use power button to confirm it, so power button, then select yes once more and confirm it and wait for the process. Now it's gonna do some like wiping right now, and then we'll need to reboot the device, and it will continue to do the rest of it in the background, so it will actually take a little bit longer to turn on the device. As you can see, data wipe complete, and now select Reboot System now and confirm it. And this will take a little bit longer, so I'll be back once the process is finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and we're right now in the Android setup screen. So right here we get to choose the language, location connection. I'm just going to disagree to this. So yeah, choose the language and tap on the button. Then you can insert the SIM. I'm just going to skip it, skip network. Skip anyway. Now confirm Google services. And as you can see, we're on the home screen, and there's also no lock screen anymore. So this is how you do a hard reset to remove the lock screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.